Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm a little bit confused. Somebody that met me at one of the seminars in Dallas wants to paragraph text into this space, and I don't, unless you've got hundreds of them to do, I wouldn't worry about it. Let's go ahead and take that and break that apart and grab that text. And you can see it's a paragraph text because of those notations. Now, this is paragraph text. So if you have, more than 50 to do, I wouldn't do them this way. And they're really close to the same length, but you wouldn't want to envelope into the shape. But all you have to do to turn paragraph text into artistic text is go convert to artistic text. And then you can go to object and break those apart so they're individually named. So here's the longest one. And if I'm reading this right, you can go up to your edit tool and hit your enter bar, enter bar, enter, and then go center justified and hit OK. And you have that kind of that same shape, but you can't envelope it. Well, you can, but it's going to look terrible. So what I would do is make a envelope the size of this and make sure it's centered. So I'd hit P. Then all you have to do is take that, well, not only, but and go up to effects and envelope and place inside form, and then shift select the box and go EC, and then get rid of the box. And that should work. Now it's a little bit low, isn't it? Well, it's really the same distance. It just looks off. So you might have to adjust that for that one with the N in it. And you can actually take these and, well, you have to go up to object and convert it to a curve, and then take your shape tool and grab those two nodes and make them a little bit taller. Maybe make it a little equaler. And then, I mean, I do this all the time, but in position layout and envelope tool, I get really confused, or not the envelope tool, but print merge, then go EC and see I put it in there, and then you just get rid of that box. So regardless, so that would be one of them. And then if you wanted to make another one for the other, and I don't know how big your laser bed is, but then you could get rid of this wordage and grab the shorter one. And of course, you'd want it in the same deal. So you'd go to edit text, just put it right there and hit enter, 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 center justify. And I know this isn't helping you, I'm pretty sure, but I'm going to give you Roy Brewer's. Roy Brewer is still the man. This way, they're all going to be the same size. And then go up to envelope tool and place inside container, and then click on your box and hold your shift key and go EC or CE, it doesn't really matter. And then just remove your box. That, and maybe you just have to play around with the height of the box, to get it in there. I'm sorry, I'm not any more help. I've done print merge a couple of times, but I don't do hundreds of things. And, if you only had like 25 of these, it wouldn't take that long. Once you've got them copied and got the placement, but when I email you back, I'll email you back Roy Brewer, and we can ask him that same question. He is by far the expert on print merge and in-position layout, and he's got a lot of videos on it also. I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.